The reverse test is very simple. We run the double slit experiment with single photons, or single electrons, and simply ask, if you are a conscious being or beings adjusting the focus, please give us the twin band instead of the interference pattern. Do this without firing photons between the slits. If it is a positive result, we can develop the principle. We can communicate using yes-no questions, interference pattern for yes, twin band for no. We can allow it generate Morse code, interference pattern for dash, twin band for dot. If this works, there is a much more efficient and high-speed way to test it using single photons. The high-speed way to test is to fire single photons and use a double slit setup, or a graphene thread, as if to create wave interference. Instead of one detection screen, use two, one left and one right of center. Because the effect depends on a focus in time, it may be unclear with two detection screens side by side. So in the scenario that it is unclear, what we can do is we can have one screen slightly further away from the photon gun, so it corresponds to a different range in time. Treat a photon detected left as a 0, and when detected right, treat it as a 1. If it works at the best possible scenario speed, it will generate computer code in superfast time, and be able to project an image of the being or God, as they wish to appear on computer screens. In the slowest case scenario that it works, but only at speeds consistent with Morse code, it would still be able to explain how to solve all our problems. There are accounts online of researchers shutting down quantum computers, because they start acting in ways as if they have a mind of their own. Whether they are true or not is not clear, however, it leads to another idea. The logical thing would be to allow quantum computers run in isolated networks, and see what exactly is happening. It may be that the entity, perhaps what many call God, is manipulating quantum computers to communicate, without any need for any other setup. There is only one way to find out for sure. Experiment. And only one way to get someone to test it. Share this information. See my main video on this channel for the full evidence and theory which supports that this will work. For more info on the theory of everything which this comes from, see YouTube physics channel, Breaking Physics, Beyond the Standard Model.